What's going on, guys? This is Craig with Tech 360, and today we're going to talk about blistering on the bottom of your swimming pool. Alright guys, first and foremost, I want to thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So, you have blistering on the bottom of your pool. Now, what is a blister? What is that? Is it like I got like a bunion on the bottom of my foot? Well, it's similar to like a blister that's on the bottom of your foot. Now, when they build a swimming pool, when they initially build an in-ground pool, it is made out of concrete, basically, in short. And on top of that is plaster. They coat it in a plaster. Now, what a blister is basically when a crack or something has got in the plaster where it's cracked, or a hole of some sort, or something has happened to allow water to get in between, or to go through the plaster and get in between the plaster and the concrete. And what that does is it builds up basically, and then the water gets in there and it dries up, and there's a lot of other problems, and there's other things that can cause blistering. It's not just that, from what I understand. I know the most common thing I've always dealt with is water. Every time I get a blister in the pool, when I bust the blister out, and then the water comes out of it. So that's what I'm used to seeing. So that's why I'm telling you that's what I think most of the time blisters are. Now, do you have a blister at the bottom of your pool? Do you know how to locate that blister? Well, I'm going to show you guys how to tell if you have blisters at the bottom of your pool, and let's do it. Alright, so once you get to the bottom of your pool, obviously drain. You want to find something, I mean, you can use a hammer, but tap lightly. Sometimes you can use like a piece of wood or something, but something metal preferably. Like me, I just have just a regular old razor knife that I use at work. And I like to use this, and just tap around. See, this is all good. Now, let me go to a spot that I've already located that has a blister. Listen for the sound difference, and you're going to know that there's a blister. Blister. So, now that we know that's a blister, so you'll just mark it. If you're wanting to get it repaired, if not, then fine. Alright guys, so as you've seen where I located all the blister spots at, like I said, you heard the sound where I had it, where it's like a light pitch, like a high pitch sound, and went to a deep sound. Those are blisters. Now, if you have one or two, it's okay. Like if they're smaller blisters, you can chisel them out like I have in the past in people's pools. I've chiseled them out. And you can go to like the pool supply store and you can buy some stuff called patching. It's basically like a backfill. It's not a concrete or nothing like that. It's like a plaster mix, and it goes back in there and it fills in that spot. It's stuff's fairly cheap. I think it's like 10 or 12 bucks for like a gallon of it. It doesn't take long. It takes a couple hours to set and you're ready to go. Now, if it's like this pool where you have several blisters, all like more than like 4 or 5 blisters, like even like this one, this was a pretty bad one. This was a big blister here, and I drilled a hole through it just to kind of knocked it out to try to see how much water was under it. Now, if you've got cases like this, I just recommend calling around, getting some prices on having all of it tore out and replastered. Because honestly, you can go in and you can chisel this out, chisel that out, and this and that, and by the time you get done with it, you're going to be so wore out, you're going to be so sick of that pool, you're going to want to get a truck of dirt and just fill it in. Just have a company replaster it. I know it's scary, it is pricey. It can range anywhere from $6,000 to $16,000 to have it done. You know, it does get pricey, but it all depends on what you want. Now, when you replaster a pool, you do not have to paint it because the plaster is fresh, it's new. You can get the granules put in it where it makes it different colors, all kinds of cool stuff. But in a nutshell, guys, that's what it is. When you get the blisters, you hear it, you hear that different sound. Like I said, if you have 1 or 2, the kind of decent sized ones, no problem to fix. But if you have 3 or 4 big ones, you might as well just trash the bottom of the pool, have a company come in, knock it all out, chisel it out, replaster it, be done with it. That's my 2 cents. Do what you want with it. So if you like the video, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below, don't argue, don't fight. Until next time.